This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You'll begin by installing and signing into the Google Calendar app. Open it now. Once signed in, make sure Calendar Sync is enabled in iPad settings so events show across devices. Grant permissions for notifications and location to get reminders and map data. Tap the plus button to create your first event, set title, time, and calendar. Use the quick add or voice input for speed. By starting here, you avoid missing events and ensure your iPad and Google account stay synchronized. Next, you'll learn to create detailed events and tailor them. Tap plus and add a clear title, choose the calendar, invite guests, and enter the location. Use Map Autofill for accuracy. Set recurrence rules for repeating events, then add alerts, primary and secondary, so you get reminders. Use color labels to visually separate work and personal items. Attach files or notes for context. Switch between day, week, or month views to verify spacing and avoid conflicts, making planning faster and clearer. Finally, save your event and confirm invites are sent. Use the share option to copy event links or add collaborators. Make sure time zone support is configured if you travel. Adjust default duration and notification timing in app settings for consistent behavior. If something goes wrong and events don't sync, first pull down to refresh, then toggle the Google account in iPad settings or force close and reopen the app. As a last resort, reinstall the app. This often fixes stubborn sync and notification issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.